ako nag-low carb na pero yung high blood ko mas mataas pa rin pero di ako strict na low carb. It depends on the quality of yung pag-low carb na ginagawa ninyo. Obviously, if you're not taking it seriously, hindi naman strict, then what would you expect sa result? Hindi rin po ganun kabilis yung pag-reverse. The other thing to consider, I always tell you mga viewers, mga kapatid, the other thing to consider is how long have you had the disease. Kasi ganito po yun, no? Real talk. For example, 15 years na kayo may high blood, tapos nag-low carb kayo ng 2 weeks, you cannot expect na yung 15 years na sakit mawawala in 2 weeks. Sometimes, kapag ang mga tao ay very strict sa kanilang ginagawang pagbabago ng lifestyle, it may be possible, but in many cases, you should wait. Hindi naman po yan instant, right? The body needs time to heal po. The longer you've been in that state, the longer it will take for you to reverse that.